RDDT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in courses, mentors in 5 years trying to figure this skill out. This is what's taking me to 5 to 10k per month, and I have all the proof to back it up because for 5 years every single day I've been grinding it out, and I have 40,000 videos documented, and you can check it out. Looking at RDDT Reddit stock analysis, this is quite simple. I mean, yes, we're in this big correction phase, but ultimately all I wanted to see was a double break. And since I saw the first kind of things happening, ideally want to see more breaks above 125, but ultimately here nothing's stopping me from, when we open up next week, if there's a confirmation, nothing is stopping me from buying even more, right? And I know people would like to overcomplicate this, but the more I've been in the game, the more I'm just trying to oversimplify things, because this is what I've seen make me the most money, right? And if you want to learn how I'm trading without indicators, you can earn 5 to 10k per month. Click the first link in the description and get my free emails.